these online workshops, we are going to cover three main topics. The first one being refining what you really want in your life, refining your vision, so we can go to the next point, which is going to be what are the main three fears that are stopping you or slowing you down in achieving that you truly want. And the third is applying the fear hacking method, so really you can use every fear, and not only them, also doubts and negative emotions, into opportunities to boost your fulfillment and also your effectiveness, both in your business and also in every other area of your life. I'm Loto Vázquez. I'm the author of the book Happiness is Easy, the author of the forthcoming book Fearhacking Gym, also the author of this program and this method, the Fearhacking Method. And I've been practicing and exploring in myself for over 20 years all of the things related to this that I'm gonna share with you in this moment, in this online workshop. I've been also privileged to serve thousands of people in the last 14 plus years, also in terms of fulfillment and a healthier relationship with their minds. And I've been a monk of a practice of meditation for over 12 years. This class is not gonna be available forever, and not everyone is gonna be able to register. So now, while you can, follow your gut and get registered. I really value your time and anyone's time, so I wanna make sure you get as much value or more than you expect. And to guarantee that, if that wasn't the case, and I'm sure it's gonna be, but if that wasn't the case, I will get into a one-on-one session with you that is valued in over 416 euros, and make sure do whatever it takes so you reach or exceed your expectations and you really transform forever the relationship with your fears, doubts, and negative emotions. I'm super happy to share this with as many people as possible so we can conquer all of our fears, doubt, and negative emotions and live more fulfilled and more effective, so we can have a better impact in our own lives, but also in the people we love and in this world at the end. So if you want to learn how to conquer all of your fears, doubts, and negative emotions without needing to put the 20 years that I put into it and the many thousands of euros through those 20 years, and you want to learn how to use those fears, doubts, and negative emotions as a way to increase your fulfillment and your effectiveness, both in your business and in your life, then register right now while there's still spots available. And yeah, register now, and I see you in your online workshop of the Fear Hacking Method right away.